In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group email in Gmail, a simple yet powerful feature that can save you a lot of time when communicating with multiple people. Whether you're organizing a family event or coordinating a team at work, this guide will walk you through the steps to set up and use group emails efficiently. First, you'll need to open your web browser and go to the Google homepage. From there, sign into your Gmail account if you're not already logged in. Look towards the upper right corner of the screen and click on the Google Apps icon, which looks like a square made of 9 smaller dots. This will reveal a number of Google applications available for you to use. Among these options, you'll find Contacts. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you're in the Google Contacts interface. Once here, have a look at the left sidebar and click on the Create Label option, which is essentially the key to managing your contacts into groups. When you click on this, a small dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter a name for your new label. Choose a name that represents the group you're setting up, for instance, family, work colleagues, or any name that fits the occasion or group of people you're emailing. With your new label created, it's time to add contacts. Head over to Contacts or Frequently Contacted in the left sidebar to see a list of people you've interacted with. Click on the checkbox next to each contact that you'd like to add to this new group. Once you've selected all the necessary names, look for the Manage Labels icon at the top, which looks like a label tag or price tag. Click it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Simply select the label you've just created, and this will add those contacts to your group. After adding contacts, you're all set to start sending group emails. Navigate back to Gmail and start composing a new email. Now, instead of typing email addresses individually in the To field, simply type the label name you created. Gmail will automatically replace it with all the email addresses associated with that label, streamlining the process of sending group emails. Remember, anytime you want to update the group, perhaps adding more friends or colleagues, you just return to Google Contacts, make your changes, and the label will automatically update. This functionality makes sure your communications stay efficient and organized. With a little setup, you've now made your email workflows smoother and more productive, ensuring you can easily, consistently reach multiple people without the repetitive work of typing in addresses each time. Once you've followed these steps, you'll find sending group emails with Gmail to be an effective way of managing your communications.